This video will provide you with guidance on how to register to the Juniper Learning Portal, log in with your Juniper.net account, and use the All-Access Training Pass to enroll in on-demand courses, Juniper delivered live classes, and Juniper instructor-led online classes. This video will also explain how to view your subscriptions, the training you've enrolled in, and your training history. The Learning Portal is available at learningportal.juniper.net. If you do not yet have a Juniper.net user account to log into the Learning Portal, then you will need to request the creation of your Juniper.net account. From the menu at the top of the Learning Portal webpage, click Register. In the first field, enter your company email address. In this example, we're using yourname@telecom.de. This will become the user ID for your account. Next, confirm your email address by entering it in the second field. Then select your country from the drop-down list. In this example, we've selected Germany. Select Guest User Access. Click Next to advance to the account creation page. Enter your information into all the required fields on the account creation page. Required fields are marked with a red asterisk. Click Next and do the same on any subsequent pages. Click Submit when you have filled in all the required fields. After you submit your registration information, confirmation and instructions will be sent to the email address you provided. It might take up to 24 hours before you receive this email. Prior to sending you the email confirmation, the Juniper system needs to verify and validate all your information. To finalize your registration and create a password for your account, simply follow the instructions in the confirmation email that you'll receive. Now that you have your user account established, you can log into the Learning Portal. To do so, start by clicking Login from the top menu. Enter your email address as your username and click Next. Then, enter your password and click Sign In to complete your login. If you are experiencing account or login issues, you must contact Juniper Customer Care Support at the web address shown here. You can find this address and other contact information on the Learning Portal by clicking Contact Us on the drop-down menu as shown here. Now that you are registered on the Learning Portal and you are logged in, let's look at purchasing and using an All-Access Training Pass. The rest of the instructions in this presentation assume you are logged into the Learning Portal. Click All-Access Pass from the top menu. If you wanted to purchase a Team or Enterprise All-Access Pass, you would click one of the Request Quote buttons. This would open an email for you to request a quote and finish the process. For an individual All-Access Training Pass, click the Buy Now button. In the lower left of the next page, click the Subscribe button. Another page appears. If you have a discount voucher or promotional code, enter it in the field provided and click Apply before clicking Checkout. We're using JUES AAP 123 as an example. Do not enter a Juniper Training Credits JTC voucher in this field. Instead, select Juniper Training Credits as a payment option during checkout. So if you've entered a code, click Apply and then click Checkout, which will take you to a page where you can complete your individual All-Access Training Pass purchase. Once complete, you will be able to access any of the Learning Portal training. While you're on the All-Access Training Pass overview page, you might want to check out the JNCIE Certification Lab self-study bundles, available with the purchase of an All-Access Training Pass. JNCIE self-study bundles are targeted at JNCIP certified engineers who are studying for the expert level certification and would like extra help preparing for the exam. Students should have passed the relevant JNCIP written exam or achieved an equal level of expertise through Education Services courseware and hands-on experience. Clicking the link provided will take you to a page with more information and descriptions of the available self-study bundles. Upon purchasing your JNCIE self-study bundle, you'll receive instructions to access the course materials and access the lab environment. If your company purchased a Team All-Access Pass, you will need to activate your account. To activate your Team All-Access Pass, click on the user profile from the drop-down menu on the main page. On the screen that appears, enter your registration code in the Registration Code field, then click Save Changes. You will now be able to access the training on the Learning Portal. At this point, you are registered on the Learning Portal, you're logged in, and your All-Access Training Pass is activated. To enroll in Juniper's on-demand courses, click On-Demand Courses from the top menu. From the On-Demand page, you can browse the list of available courses. Select the one you want by clicking Enroll Now. You will then have access to and be enrolled in the training course you selected. You will be presented with another page that will provide you with additional instructions on how to use this on-demand course. If the on-demand course in which you enrolled has a lab component, and this is your first time using the on-demand lab environment, please watch the lab tutorial available at the link provided in the How to Use This Course instructions. You will also need to enable your lab access. To access Juniper's lab environment, you will need to click the Enable Lab Access button. This will generate a one-off username and password for your use in this lab. An expiration date will be shown. You will then be able to enter the lab environment with this username and password by accessing the following URL: labs.edu.juniper.net. Once you're in the lab environment, the lab you enrolled in will be shown. To enroll in one of Juniper's live classroom or instructor-led online ILO classes, click Class Schedule from the top menu. Browse the list of classes, noting the dates, times, locations, and regions, and select the class you want. Note that classes offered by Juniper's authorized education partners are not included. When you've found the class you want, click Register. You will be sent a confirmation email with further instructions. The Learning Portal also has an easy way for you to view your All-Access Training Pass information, subscriptions, enrollments, and training history. To view your history, click the drop-down menu at the top of the page and click Training History. Information regarding your training history will be displayed. To view information regarding your All-Access Training Pass, your subscriptions and enrollments, click the blue bars at the bottom of the main page. The All-Access Training Pass ensures that you and your team can always get the technical training you need to build your skills and prepare for the next generation of networks. For more information, please visit the All-Access Training Pass page at www.juniper.net/all-access. Enjoy your training.